Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error caused by JavaNet Connect exception. So I'm getting this error when I am trying to run my Spring Boot application with MongoDB database. So let's get started with the solution. So first thing what you're doing is you just need to go to search and you need to type services. Just click on open, and in the list of services you need to go to M because they are sorted alphabetically. So you'll be having here MongoDB service, and currently it is in automatic. So if I just click this, the service is yet to begin. So just select this MongoDB server and you need to just click on start the service. Yeah, the service has now started, and if I just now rerun this application, here you can see the MongoDB application has started and it's on port 8081. So which means that I'm not getting any errors. So this is the simplest way to solve this problem. And in case if you are still getting errors, you just need to go to your resources folder and you need to go to application.properties and make sure that you have given the right credentials and the right path to your MongoDB Compass database. So this is how basically you solve this issue, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I done a lot of videos in MongoDB, Spring Boot, MySQL queries, other programming videos, AI videos, other CRUD operations. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.